As organizations build business cases for more sustainable operations, a key component to success is finding ways to collaborate with others.
There's no other path forward except for acting in collaboration. These are system-wide problems, and they need system-wide collaboration to address them.
Colgate-Palmolive is no stranger to the idea of going farther together when it comes to sustainability. They're a part of dozens of partnerships and alliances, all aimed to provide cooperation and support for those trying to make a greener planet while still meeting their business needs.
We're part of a group called the Consumer Goods Forum, which is over 400 companies made up of manufacturers and retailers. We can work together with our peers to tackle some of the issues like plastic waste, like climate, and some other big issues that require collaboration.
We were a co-founder of NextWave. It's a consortium of companies dedicated to reducing the amount of plastic flowing into the ocean.
Dell Technologies also found ways to work with others, whether that's through alliances or open innovation sessions to collaborate on problems, or through consortiums like NextWave that bring companies together to use recycled plastic in their products.
The more these sustainable materials get used, it makes for a more robust supply chain, makes for including better costs because you're driving demand up, better continuity of supply.
The benefit is the scale and the volume that you can drive, which then drives cost, but it also drives impact.
Creating more demand for lower carbon materials doesn't just drive costs down, it also creates streams for entirely new supplies to enter the market.
A lot of times it's just asking that question and engaging your partners across your supply chain is what's needed.
I've been talking to resin companies about making bio-based materials, and they go, okay, you're the fifth company to ask us about this. So they go, we're now willing to put the technology resources, we're now willing to go spend, the millions of dollars that it would take them from just even putting people on it to go invest and investigate how they could create this bio-based material or put bio content into their plastics.
But to actually get these initiatives off the ground at facilities requires collaboration of a different sort, working with and motivating the teams within the companies themselves.
Sustainability is a team sport, and I think getting the team motivated, recognizing, getting people to recognize they're a part of that team that they may not have actually seen themselves as a member of at the beginning can be really exciting and motivating.
I was approached recently by an employee in an office location that is not targeted for true certification. It's a smaller office, but they said, I want to start this program at our office. How can I do that? Find those passionate employees that are passionate about sustainability or waste reduction, and those folks are going to be your champions.
I don't think you need an army of people. You certainly don't. Like I said, we only have 3 people, and we've been able to drive a tremendous amount of change in a short period of time. I always use the analogy like you're trying to push this big boulder up the hill, and then once you get it down the other side of the hill, it starts rolling by itself, right? Once you get it over that peak, you see a change in people's behavior. It shifts, right? Once people understand and get it, and they know why they're doing it, it just clicks. And then you have teams just take ownership and go drive the things on their own.
Companies that are looking to make the business case for more sustainable operations should start by finding partnerships to help them begin their journey, whether those alliances are on a macro or a micro scale. They can join consortiums aimed to supply more sustainable materials and then enable their motivated team members to spearhead efforts in their local facilities.
Sustainability and a sustainability journey and transformation can happen from within anywhere in the company. So it requires working together, collaborating, learning, understanding what to prioritize and how to create change. Getting ideas from your colleagues, really, they are the ones who have the best ideas in terms of better quality, better innovation, and things that lead to better sustainable outcomes.
For more information about how to help your organization meet its other sustainability goals, go to our landing page,